Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back. So today, like the title says, I did a bit of shopping lately, so I just wanted to try some new products. I mean, they're not really new, but they're new to me because I've never tried them before, so I wanted to get on camera here and film a video for you guys and just give my first impressions on a few new products. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my makeup. I'm just gonna do my regular everyday makeup but with new products and see how it goes. And yeah, that's it. So we'll just get right into it. I don't have everything new. Like there's some steps gonna be like old products, but you'll see as I get along. So okay, so first what I want to use is moisturizer. You guys, I don't always use a moisturizer, to be honest, because as you guys know, my skin is really oily and it's really hard to find a moisturizer that's actually mattifying. So the first one I'm going to use is the L'Oreal Hydra Genius moisturizer. I mean, this one is actually moisturizing. It's meant for oily skin also. And the cool thing about this one is it actually says it's supposed to be mattifying. So we'll see how it goes along. I mean, I'm not doing like a wear test today, so if anything, I'll just write down below how it went throughout the day if you guys want to know. So I'm just gonna use one pump because I don't think I need more than that. Put it here. I mean, I'm gonna try to put it where I get mostly oily, in the center of my face, and I'm just gonna put the rest outward. I'm really red. It's not tacky. It's already dried down and it smells really good. It smells really fresh. It doesn't feel greasy at all. It's really like a gel kind of texture, even like it's even more watery than a gel, if that makes sense to you guys. But okay, so next I'm gonna use a primer. I have two primers, but to be honest, I actually used one before. For today, I'm gonna use my Dr. Brant Pore Refiner Primer. And I think this one is actually mattifying as well. Well, this one is for oily skin, so I'm guessing it's mattifying. I think it said so. It's mattifying when I went to look on the website. So I got this one with my points at Sephora when I went last week. Okay, it's actually tinted. It's kind of, it's like beige. It smells like cleaner. That makes sense. So I'm gonna put it like on my like my T-zone and my chin, because that's where I get oily. And I'm really gonna put it in. Yeah, it smells like cleaner. It smells like Vim. Like the green one. It's not as strong as it, but it smells like that. Which I don't mind, I love the smell of it, but if you're putting that to your face, it's kind of weird. I'll put some on my lids, because I get oily there too, as you guys know. It's really smooth. Like, I don't feel like I have a white cast even if it's tinted. It's really smooth, it's not tacky, it's not dry, it's just like it goes really smooth into your pores. So next I have a new foundation. Actually, this is the foundation I used like at least 5 years ago, but like I really wanted to try another one. This is my L'Oreal True Match. I used to take the number C6 Self Sable, which is like my same color in my Pro Matte foundation by L'Oreal. So I just took the same color. I mean, this is the color I used to use anyways, but the only problem is with this one is a cool foundation. I wanted a warm one, but they didn't have my shade, so this is the one I'm gonna try today. I know this one is not mattifying, it's not anything really, it's just like a nice coverage everyday makeup foundation. So I'm just gonna try it today and see. I don't remember how much I liked it or if I didn't like it. So we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna start with this, and if I need more, I'm just gonna put more. I don't even know if it's full coverage. It only says that it's all they wear. Like for this one too, I guess I'll put down below how it went throughout the day and we'll see. So to buff it in, I'm just gonna use my foundation brush like this. So the color, it's okay. You guys have to keep in mind that I have a white line in front of me and it's always like, it always kind of washes me out. I mean, I'm not that colored in real life. I'm a bit darker and also like I'm a bit tan right now because we've been having some nice weather, so, and I've been outside a lot, so I'm actually a bit tanner than usual. I mean, first impression right now, it's kind of matte, really. I thought it would be more like natural look, like natural, like semi-dewy, semi-matte, but it's actually pretty matte for my, not for my liking. I mean, I have both. I have like matte foundation, I have like regular foundation, and this is more towards the matte finish. I mean, it's not bad. It gives me like a nice coverage. Like it's pretty medium, to be honest. I'm gonna have to add more, especially on my cheeks here, because I'm actually breaking out. Like here I broke out a bit, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. So yeah, it's definitely buildable. Buildable. It's really nice. I mean, I just didn't think it would be that matte, but it's a really nice finish. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my brows. I actually have a new products for my brows too. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in dark brown. It looks like this. I took dark brown. There was actually, this is the darkest color they had. So I'm just gonna see how it is. So it's basically like a twist, and it looks like the Brow Definer by Anastasia. It has a spoolie on the other side, which is really small, but we'll see. So first what I'm gonna do is brush my brows upward. I mean, it's really small, but it works. I just find it weird. So next I'm gonna use the other part. So when I use a brow pencil, whatever, like what I'm looking for in the color is for it not to be red. So that's why I love my Brow Wiz by Anastasia, because it's dark enough where it's not black. Like once you put it in, it's like, it's dark brown. It's not reddish. It doesn't have a reddish undertone. So first I'm gonna do my under eye, my under brows, like I always do. I'm using a really light hand because I don't know how dark it can go. And you guys know I don't do my brows really dark. I just fill them in a little bit, so. The product itself, it's pretty creamy. Like it doesn't tug on my lashes, on my skin or anything. Like it's pretty smooth. Yeah. So now that I traced that, I'm just gonna fill them in. So once they're filled in, I'm just gonna use the other side, the spoolie again. I'm just gonna go right through it so there's no harsh lines. Like even the color is nice, it's dark brown. I don't think it has a reddish undertone. Sometimes I only see it when I go under like the sun or anything, but for now I actually like it. Like I said, it's really, like, the spoolie is too small, but it works. It's just, it's weird. Like even the crayon, it's really smooth. It goes really like smoothly. Just have, if you're like me, like your brows more natural, you have to be careful not to like press on too hard. But like even now, once I do the spoolie and everything, it looks the same as my brow definer, which is like really, really good. So now I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna do my concealer. I have Pro Concealers by LA Girl. I have the color Toffee, and I have the color Beautiful Bronze. Beautiful Bronze is more my color, my regular color, and this one is more like to highlight. The only thing is, like, I tried it a little bit on my hand. It's really pink undertone, which I'm not a fan of, but we'll work with it, it's fine. Okay, so we're gonna go with the color Toffee. Okay, you guys can probably tell, but I hate the applicator. I don't like the applicator at all. Okay, I'm gonna blend this in before like it dries, just in case it dries too quickly. So I'm gonna use this brush to buff it in. And it might be a little bit too light for me. You guys know I like something like more my skin tone. I don't really highlight my under eye, so I just chose the wrong shade for myself. I mean, it blends really nicely. It's really easy to blend. And it's really creamy too. It's really light. It's like too light for me. Well, I mean, it's not getting in my crease or anything. It's just the shade that I chose. Oh my god. I'm so white. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my brows with this. I'm just gonna like get a brush like this, buff it in. Like for my brows it's nice, but like it's okay because I like the highlighted look under my brows, so it looks good. This is what I like. But for my face, my under eyes, I mean, it looks really white right now. Just gonna have to bronze the shit out of my face, but it's okay. So for bronzer, I'm just gonna use my regular bronzer because I don't have a new one. So I'm just gonna use my contour kit by Anastasia, and I'm gonna use the darkest shade, which is Espresso. I'm gonna mix it with this color here, which is called Havana. Oh. I'm just gonna use my contour brush. Mix the two, this, and bronze. I'm putting a lot of bronzer right now because I look so weird. Because I consider it was too white, was too ashy for me. And also it was like undertone was pink, so that's why it wasn't warm enough on my face. But you guys can see now it looks better already. So now it looks good. So that's it for bronzer. So what I'm gonna do now is just set my face with my Laura Mercier setting powder, the translucent one, because I don't have a new powder to use. So I'm just gonna set my under eyes. So next, I'm gonna do my highlight. I have a new highlight. It's the Wet n Wild Make a Glow highlighting powder. It's the color Golden Flower Crown. So it looks like this. It's nice. Oh, it's nice. It's really golden, which I love. I'm gonna take a little bit so we can build it up. Ooh, okay. I wasn't expecting this. Okay. Well, it's really nice. That's all I'm gonna say for now. It's not glittery, it's like really smooth, like it really looks like skin. It's not chunky at all. It's really smooth when you swatch it and everything. And even when you put it on your face, it's not glittery, it's not like I don't have glitter on my face right now. The only thing I will say is just be careful when you put it on, because right now I feel like I can't, like I feel like I have a line here, and I feel like, actually it's nice, but I feel like I can't like blend it. It's like it's set. I'm just gonna set my face. I'm gonna use whatever I have. I don't have a new one. I'm gonna use my all-nighter. Because now I'm just gonna do my lips. I have a new lip product, but I don't know how it's gonna look, so I might take it off because I swatched it and I don't really like the color anymore. So first I'm gonna use my Rimmel eyeliner to line my lips. Okay, so I bought the other day Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Ashton. I found it at $10 at Winners. So I just wanna, yeah, so the thing is I really wanted that color, but once I swatched it I was like, maybe not. But I'm gonna try it and see. I mean, I know I love her products, so we're just gonna see how this one looks. I'm gonna add more lip liner, try to make it darker. It's not bad, it's just weird for me because I never use colors like that, but it's actually not bad. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and come right back for the final results. Okay guys, so I put on some lashes just to finish the look. This is how it looks. I mean, it looks really good despite the fact that it was some products that weren't the right shade for me, or I don't know, it's just, you know, when you do your makeup you're like, it doesn't look good, and then after you've done you're like, oh, okay, it's not that bad, but you know how it went through, so you're just like, okay. So yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoying my latest videos. Also, go back and check down below. I'm gonna put my other brow routine if you guys want a more defined brow routine, my latest one. But the way I did it today is pretty much the way I do it. And yeah, so I'll just see you in my next video. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below. Click on the bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. Like my video and comment because I like answering you guys' comments, as you guys know. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.